Sandra Peake, Judge Sandra Peake, Family Court 257, is dangerous to the Black family. Sitting in Sandra Peake's court, hearing all of these things swarming around me, I objected. I objected and I objected. And the more I objected, the more irritated she became. And I'm a good read of people. And I am also thorough. When I feel like someone is against me, against my family, against my people, I do my research. So I started to research Sandra Peake. And the more I learned, the quieter I got. Because it became very obvious to me that if I pissed her off one too many times, I would pay. Just like this woman paid. She paid the ultimate price. Sandra Peake took her children, and this is her story.
So many of us, and I know nothing might even come out of it, of me coming here to telling my story and how my children got ripped away from me by Judge Sandra Peake. I know nothing might come of it. I just wanted to bring a highlight, maybe a voice to other people that went through what I went through. I was granted death penalty sanctions. My right to a jury trial was denied by Judge Peake. If that's not enough, she proceeded with a default judgment against me and granted sole custody to Dad, who had actually abandoned the children. She took my rights away to make medical decisions, which are fiercely protected constitutional right of every parent, every mother. My right to make educational decisions were taken away from her. I go to school to pick up my children. I'm treated like a criminal. Every single right, she took it away from me and she granted it to Dad. I am a medical doctor by profession. I had to sit there and watch my children go through every invasive procedure that there is out there for children, unnecessary. And I couldn't do anything because my rights are taken away. I am in appeal court appealing my case, and the judge sanctions me with contempt. I'm threatened with jail time at every hearing because how dare I try to speak against injustice and bring all this to light. I'm supposed to just quietly just walk away, have my children ripped away, and do nothing about it. If that's not enough, she granted the exclusive right to passport to Dad in the light of international abduction. And there is nothing I can do if my children get internationally abducted. That's all I had to say. And, you know, nobody else has brought the injustice that happens in Judge Sandra Peake's court at 257th. And I'm the only one who speaks about it. And I have been fiercely reprimanded for all of that, including my rights taken away, my children taken away, and I know nothing will even come out of it. And I just have to watch all of this just silently and
Vinish, you are not alone. I don't know where you are, but I do know about you. We are not the only ones. Sandra Peake doesn't like pro se litigants. And Sandra Peake is hateful. She's vindictive. And I know she hurt you. I know she took your babies. She took my baby too. She took my baby too. I knew about you when I signed that settlement. I knew what she would do to me because I knew what she did to you. And we may not be able to do anything about how our cases turned out, but we can protect other mothers. I'm not going to stop. I'm not. And if we never meet, I want you to know that there is a woman out here that's going to fight back. I'm going to do everything I can to bring a reckoning to Family Court 257. Not just for me, but for you too. If you've been a pro se litigant in Sandra Peake's court and Family Court 257, whatever platform you see me on, message me. I will respond.